Hello everyone, this is Henan SHENGMAO machinery. Behind me is one set of our foundation-free concrete batching plant. Capacity is 180 cubic meters per hour and with two sets of 2 layers horizontal cement silo. This is the aggregate batcher PLD 4800, 4 bins. There are 2 discharging doors on each aggregate bins. Below the aggregate bin, there is a separate weighing hopper to weigh the aggregate. This is the I-beam steel as the foundation of the aggregate batcher. So it doesn't need the concrete foundation on the job site. You can just put the concrete batching plant on a hard flat ground. This is the belt conveyor to transport the aggregate to the weighing hopper above the concrete mixer. This is the concrete mixer module GS3000. We also have the skillful brand or other brand for customer to choose. Those are 2 sets of 2 layers horizontal cement silo used with the concrete batching plant. Our SHENGMAO machinery can produce many kinds of concrete batching plant, and welcome to contact us if you are interested.